Hi, I'm Nick Moore. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the use of the Kramer Connect², the Logitech MeetUp video conferencing system for huddle rooms, and Microsoft Teams. Now my next step is to go to the desktop where I can find my VIA shortcut. I double click on that to open the VIA application. And it's like saying, hello, welcome to the VIA. And it suggests that I press a button to get started. So I then enter the room name, which is 10.0.2.8. Click on join, and it asks me to enter the room code. Now right now the current room code is 3337. And now I can join a meeting. So now we're going to use the VIA Versa feature on the Logitech MeetUp camera to use a Teams meeting in this little huddle space. So the first thing I do is start my VIA app. I'm going to tap to present so that you can see my screen up on the main screen here. And if there were any other participants in the room, they'd also be able to look at the main screen and not just huddle around my particular laptop. So I'm going to join the meeting. Join now. And my colleague Matt from our tech support team is already there. I'm muted, so I'm just going to turn audio on. Okay. Hi Matt, can you hear me okay?
Hi, loud and clear.
Excellent. Okay. So at the moment I'm using the camera that's built into my laptop, which is, it's not great because if there were other people in the room, Matt wouldn't be able to see them. So my next step is to go to the device settings and I choose between the integrated webcam and the VIA Versa camera. And now we're connecting wirelessly to the VIA Versa camera, and you can see that you've got a totally different camera shot of me. So when we're using the VIA Versa app, we have the ability to choose between the camera built into our device, or in this case, the Logitech MeetUp camera. We have the ability through Teams to mute the audio and to unmute. And of course, we can share our screens as I'm doing right now. And of course, even though I'm using the Logitech MeetUp camera, I can still present to my colleague who is remote. So I go to Share Content. I choose the window that I want to display. And in this case, I'm going to go to full screen PowerPoint. And I can start talking about the Logitech cameras that are on the slide that I want to share with Matt. So now we're going to show the sequence for ending the presentation. I have a message on my screen that shows me that I can stop presenting. Okay, I've now stopped presenting my screen to the remote participants, but I'm still in the meeting. So the next step is simply to say goodbye to everybody else who's at the far end and to leave the meeting. I then go to the VIA app and stop presenting. For more information on the VIA Connect² and to keep track of the new and exciting firmware upgrades that are coming along, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.